this third quarter, or will it be all the same for the Philcan Nation team? We also would like to thank our presenters, SM Supermalls and Playtime Cares, our venue sponsor, GameQuid, trying to give his team the first point here, and he successfully splits his free throw attempts. White shirts will try to take advantage of this after hitting the three-pointer. Good inside pass, good play. All 99 is available in loading channels nationwide. Load now. White shirts tries for another play as Buenafe scoring over the big defenders of the red shirts. Three that is off to the right, and off to the races is Buenafe. Good pass. Almost a basket as they will complete that one. Justin Bryle easy. Sneaky. Good game for him this second half of action. Finally a floater coming in. Backed by Francis Reyes. The big combination of Reyes and itong si Easy and Gianluca Lanave being a problem in this tournament. But Buenafe scooping one in over Reyes. Floating, that is a three-pointer to a miss by Philcan Nation. Good defense shown by UYC. Will complete that basket plus the foul. As Buenafe, these ballers that are ready to explode, they are off to the races. Good pass. Tries to score with the letter ball. Good rebound. Try to beat the buzzer. No. It is recovered by Buenafe. Over Gianluca. Buenafe, top shot. Buenafe, top shot. Johan Buenafe